chief.
I'm speaking English.
Cha, no more.
I'm telling you.
Oh, God.
I did. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Frankly, yes, sir. Wow. David, look, good to see you. Great job, eh? Great job.
Yes, sir. These are our sons. Best hotel. They don't make us say we don't prepare for you.
Yes, yes. His Excellency.
Mr. Kekime.
I know me. Go on, Fanny, no prayer. Yes, so I enjoy your dancing step. Oh. Your dancing step, they're very, very stigmatic. Oh. Very stigmatic.
Excellency, I'll bring him to our show. Okay, I love you, uncle. Tell him bye. See Chief Priest. See Chief Priest.
Excellency. Ebola, back to back. We are coming back. We are giving it to them. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Excellency.
Yes, I'm having fun with your husband here. Yes, so. Ọwọ́ can cap your no. Ọwọ́ ẹ̀ sọ̀kò wà drink audio. Ṣé ọmọ pé ọ̀tá?
Mama.
Yes, so na so. Yes. Wo yẹn pa. Oh my dear, ọ̀lẹ́ à. Ọ̀nà àgàpá. Ìwọ onye agbẹ́gbù àtọ̀ nà mpa. Agbẹ́gbù àtọ̀.
Mommy, in the film he died.
Yes, so, Madam Deo. We don't know there.
Some, mommy, I'm putting it in the video tomorrow. It's going to be in my video. Mama G! Auntie! Mama Auntie.
Yes, sir. That's so.
Like it.
Imerale now. We don't drink, eh? Okwana gakwa. Yes.
Auntie G, we don't scatter the whole world. They're mad. We don't
74.
I travel to my country. I can't make you. Oh, don't do that.
Hey loves, I know it's been long you guys heard my voice, so guys, it's about going to be lit. Yes, Davido is going to feature Bright Chimezie in his recent released album. If you guys could remember, there's this viral music that he featured on Malay, and I think before he produced that album, he has already called Bright Chimezie and then seek for his validation and recognition to use probably his lyrics in that music. And since then, you see how God just usually remember all these old musicians, just like that previous old man that Jota brought back his music then through his clips. That's how Davido brought back Bright Chimezie. Isn't that wonderful? Guys, we can't wait to see what is going to happen in that video. And he also even promised Bright Chimezie to go to Osun and visit his uncle, the governor. And then, in short, God is great. Congratulations to Bright Chimezie. This is another starting point for him, guys. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Don't you want to be friends with me so that I will keep updating you with all the gist and entertainment news you need to know? See you guys in my next video. Bye.